2002 Ford Mustang V6. Still got all the original catalytic converters. Usually they come single exhaust. The customer wanted dual exhaust, so we did dual exhaust on it. Got Flowmaster 40 series, 2 1/4 intermediate pipes, 2 1/4 tailpipes. Out the back into flat tips. One here and one here. At a customer's request. That's the first time you guys see something like that one. But there they are. It's got Flowmaster 40 series on it. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute.